What's up, gang? We're back again with another video. You know how it goes down. What's happening? We out here stupid early in the morning, 6:49. We got my boy Pierre. Came down from Maryland, up in the old DMV to come holler at your boy for a little bit over the weekend. Chef Aaron is running around down there, around that corner somewhere, looking for a spot to throw some topwater. But today is gonna be a good day because Pierre here has never caught a largemouth bass in his entire life. And the goal is to put your boy on a bass. So that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna switch this thing over to the GoPro. We're gonna roll right into this thing. Sipping on my lean and I'm what's up, gang? You about to get it cranked off with this good old topwater frog right there. We don't throw the frog too often, but this looks like a good enough spot to get the frog going. Huh? It's grass. That's what the bass live in. They hide in that grass. Got one. Oh, he threw it. Bro, did you just see me slip and fall? I just lost my foot. I just had one, dude. Did you just see that? You got him? Dude, I just lost my footing and lost my fish. Frog. Bro, I told you gotta cast in the open stuff. You're dragging it through this grass. Don't cast in the grass. No, it's not, bro. That open area over there where you don't see nothing floating on the top of the water. Yes. Frog? Jesus, man. Oh, golly, bro. Can't believe that, man. Lost my freaking footing. Lost my doggone fish. Dang, man. Unbelievable. Dang, man, we missed 3 good blow-ups, man. I can't believe I missed that fish, man. I lost my footing right here. I freaking slipped right there when I was trying to, after I set the hook and I went to gain my freaking, huh? Bro, when you cast, don't let the weight of the lure take the line. Don't like overcast. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, and that's a good fish too, boy. That's a good one. Aaron, come here. Aaron, come here. Bro, it's a good fish. Would you mind turning my camera on for me? If you don't mind, I really appreciate it. And right there is our first frog fish of the year, baby. First frog fish of the year. First frog fish of the year, baby. Look at that. Just banged it right there, man, right off the edge. It's a good fish, man. Man, that right there's a solid chunk. He smacked it right out there off the edge of that grass line, and we put him on the bank. First frog fish of the year, baby. Let's go. Banger. Can't beat that right there, guys. That right there is exhilarating. That'll get the blood pumping. So let's get another one. First frog fish of the year for your boy. It's another good one. It's another good fish. Bro, that's another solid fish, dude. Oh my God, bro. That's another good one. He's bigger than the first one. He's bigger than the first one. Yes, guys, right there. Oh my God. Look at this dude, man. Buckets. Buckets all freaking day. On the freaking frog, man. Buckets, baby. Let's get this dude back out there. Boom. That was a solid one, man.
How heavy was that?
Probably about 3 pounds. Huh?
With that shit.
Told you, man. You gotta throw the frog.
Yeah.
Do you want one?
Yeah, it's the only thing to do right now. What did he get his on?
That was a popper. Topwater popper, but you don't really want to throw a topwater popper in here.
This is not working.
Yeah, because there's too much grass right here.
Yeah, it's too much grass.
Here, so you throw that. I'm gonna go get you a frog. Remember, don't overcast. Just let the bait take your line. Huh? Yeah. So look, cast it out, and then just choo, 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 choo. There you go. Perfect. And I'll be right back. Real. Pierre's on his first largie of the day.
Yes.
Ooh, pull it up. Oh. Flip him up.
It's covered in grass, bro.
All right. Keep that language to a minimum because I'm recording.
Gotcha.
Flip that grass off of him.
All this grass.
Pick him up. Now you got to lip him, bro.
Come here, buddy.
Pierre just got his first Texas largie, boys. That's how we do it right there. First largemouth bass ever. Bro, that's what's cracking right there, man. Hold him up. Yeah, that boy right there is excited, man. That's what we come out here to get right there, baby. Yeah, boy.
Put me on
Just talk. Tell him what you did.
first largemouth bass out here in Texas with my man Brandon. Yeah.
Get that release. Throw him in there. Let's go.
All right, buddy.
Boom. Look at that right there. That's it right there.
Nice, man.
Got another one? Crank him in. Keep on going. Just keep cranking him. That's a good fish too, bro. Crank him. Oh, bro, that's a good fish right there. That's a good fish, bro. That's a good fish. Boom. There he is. Number two right there, boy.
Yes, sir.
Dude, that's what's up, man.
Getting them. We out here getting them.
Getting it done.
Get her done, get her.
Boom, bro. That's a fire pig.
Got him. Hey, bro.
Look at that.
Oh man, on the portrait mode.
Yeah, bro. That's a fire pig right there.
Hey.
Boom.
Boom.
Get him back out there.
Must not. The hook came out as soon as he came on.
Yeah, you just grabbed him. So what happened is like you didn't really like set the hook. So basically what happens, as soon as you see the blow up, jam your rod back because it'll get them hooks up in there good tight. But yeah, you basically the hooks grabbed him and you just pulled him in.
Right.
If he had jumped or surfaced, he probably would have came off.
Yeah.
He'd have threw it. But yeah, as soon as you see that blow up, bro, look at me. Crank that rod back as hard as you can.
All right.
Good one though, man. Yeah, bro, good fish, man. All right, gang, we came, we saw, we conquered. We came and did what we came to do. We got that boy P on his first bass, never caught a bass in his life. Boy came out to Texas to holler at your boy, That Bass Fishing Dude, and That Bass Fishing Dude put the dude on some dudes. But yeah, man, we're gonna head to the house. We're gonna get changed up, cleaned up, and we're about to head to the brewery. So we're gonna end this video on that note. So as always, if you like what I'm doing, if you love what I'm doing, if you hate what I'm doing, by all means, jump down there in them comments and leave your boy some feedback. And as always, check back in with your boy, That Bass Fishing Dude, for the next video. Peace.